Hey guys, welcome. I made Hey Sunflowers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to play Piggy. Sorry, Piggy with my BFF Ike. Say hi.
Hello!
Oh my god.
Hey, sunflowers!
Yes. She just said hey sunflowers. So. Oh my god! I already died.
Me too.
So, so I've been saying that I'm gonna put one of my BFF guys, we're not done yet. I accidentally yeah. We're almost done. Bruh, die. I really want you to die because it's taking forever.
Yeah, we'll come back when it's done.
Yeah. We'll come back again when we're done. So, we're back. Is there only 4 people? There's only 4 people in this game. Wow.
I know. 2 boys and 2 girls.
Girl versus boys. Yeah. Who's Yayan P? Oh, there's a new girl. Oh, it's a boy. I thought it was a girl. What should we do?
Okay, let's use carnival because I really like carnival.
Same. Carnival. Okay. Yes, carnival.
Yes.
Cam. What should we do, bot?
Trader.
I hate trader. Please, bot. I keep bot. Please, I beg you. I hate trader. Ike, please, bot. Ike!
I'm sorry. I really want the trader.
I hate trader.
I thought you were gonna say I hate you.
They could kill us when we're in the middle of a game. And I don't like it.
Stay away from that.
I don't know who's a traitor. It could be anyone.
We're so little.
We're not little. You're little.
It's jiggling.
You're little. What? Did you say?
No.
Did you say my butt is jiggling?
No, I said my butt is jiggling.
Yeah, I said that. I said, did you say my butt is jiggling?
I didn't say your butt is jiggling though.
I'm scared.
Don't worry about it.
I hate trader. Guys, trader the worst. Never pick trader. Thanks to Ike, we're gonna die.
I'm definitely not the traitor.
I know it's you, Ike. We all know
Teresa.
it's you. Just kidding.
It's not me.
It's you.
It's the bacon hair dude.
How did you know?
I think.
How will you think? Got a hammer? I don't need the hammer. If you kill me, I'll kill you.
I'm not the traitor.
Still, I hate you. This girl's doing the glitch. So, there's a glitch.
It's Yan.
It's not, it's... Let me
See, look at the chat.
No!
You die. Hello?
Ah! I died. I'm gonna...
Asking if
Oh my
you
god.
died.
I was silent for a second. If Ike die, we're just gonna... Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna die.
Ike, you can do this. Don't be
I
late.
did this
Don't.
before with the bot.
Yeah. What squad?
Oh my god. Get away from me, you stupid pig.
know,
Coronavirus.
oh my gosh. If you don't know, Ike is so scared of clowns. Also me.
I hate clowns.
Same, like literally, they suck.
They are too clowny.
They're like, I'm just scared. Like, I mean, funny clowns are like, I like funny clowns. They're like fun and not cute, but fun and funny.
Sometimes funny clowns look cool.
Yeah, I like clowns. Like, I like clowns, but it's just clowns are just like creepy. Some clowns. I knew it.
Yes.
I'm still looking at you. I'm looking at your soul. The traitor has been stopping. The traitor, get away. Yes, I hate you, traitor. The traitor is not Yang Yang. The traitor is another guy. Yes, what? Cat. That's why I told you not to do traitor. I hate traitor. Guys. Cat. What should we do?
We never escaped station before, so station.
Gas station it is. Wait, it's gonna be.
Go AFK.
Okay, she's gonna go AFK. House it is. Cat. Guys, let's do bot. No, bot. Yes, bus. Someone said, who? Yes, who care, you noob. Noob. No, it's player. Oh, it's you. Cat. Ike's back.
Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. I was in the bathroom.
Well, this is the place that George
What I did in the bathroom.
Piggy was last seen.
I'm not telling you.
What was that sound?
I don't know. Find out.
What? Okay. So.
Girl, I'm getting the plank.
There's no plank
It's
here.
here. Okay. Purple key. I found the purple key.
The purple key is like somewhere. I know it where it is, but it's like not there.
Somewhere? Oh, wow, that's a lot of help.
No problem. No.
Where is the
I found the green key.
key?
I found the green key.
What?
I found the green key.
I am near the green key.
Hello. I found the red key.
Blah, blah, blah.
Blah 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 blah.
Oh, no. We need the plank. We need the plank.
I saw Piggy. I saw freaking Piggy. I saw Piggy.
Did you find the plank, though?
No, but I do find the key though.
What key?
The key. No! Why did I keep dying? I keep dying. I used to be so good at Piggy. Yes, I'm showing off.
Yeah, but now I'm better.
There's a green key. There's the red key is the spot where the green key is.
Oh, okay. I have the purple key.
The purple key is in the basement somewhere. Like, not in the basement, but it's like, don't jump! Don't jump. You will die.
I'm not gonna.
Ah! Go in the hole! Go in the hole! Go in the hole! Ah! You fall! Come. Hopefully you won't die. It's not in the basement! Now you're gonna be stuck. You need the hammer. It's in there. It's in there. The purple key is in there. That dude just glitch? Did Piggy not see you? Did Piggy not see you?
No.
She literally, I think it's a she. She literally didn't see you. Okay.
Is the passcode already done?
Let me see. No.
Okay, so the key code is not done yet, okay?
Okay. Quick.
Be scared.
I'm gonna see where Piggy. Okay, open the door. You can open the door. Go.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you. Just do the code.
Now open. Now we only need the silver key.
You need to get a red
What's in
gear.
this room?
Nothing in there.
Where's the red key?
Gear, not key.
Oh, I thought you said key. Ah!
Where is? Oh, she's behind
Feel
you.
like a man.
Ah!
Ah!
Okay, go over there. Maybe there it is. Nope. I'm gonna try to find it for you. Close the door. Oh no, you're stuck. Close the door. Oh, you did it. You didn't slam. Oh, she ignored you. Oh no. I was like, she ignored you. Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay. You died.
I fell.
I wish to be alone, but your memories continue to torment me.
By the way, guys, we're doing play.
I'm trying to roleplay and you just ruined my roleplay.
Sorry.
But this time, I will stop you as I shouldn't do pow. Okay.
Ow. What the heck is that?
You do pow. I love it. I love my
Why am I
doo-doo
so small in this game?
Why are you so small in this? I don't like Mr. Potato. He's stupid.
Yeah, what the heck?
His name is called Mr. Potato because he have a tiny brain.
Come on.
Come on! Open up! I found a red key.
Stop it, I want to take the things. Give me the red key.
Too late.
Teresa, you stupid little girl.
I am a stupid little girl. How dare I saw Mr. Potato.
Sound like
Hey, run, Mr. Potato!
Oh, we jumped at the same time.
Hello. Ah! I hate Mr. Potato. Oh, I saw her. Oh no. Oh no! 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 Please! I beg you, don't kill. Wait, is there a new skin? Because she have like the mousy skin. Wait, let me see.
Yeah, I think that's like music.
Let me see.
Mr. Potato is stuck on the wall.
Oh my god, there is mousy
Get
skin.
away! No!
There is a mousy skin.
I died.
You died. Good. I love it.
Did you die too?
Yep.
I love playing plant, but like I feel like I'm always gonna lose. Next round we're gonna play plant again because I love it.
Okay. Guys, so I'm gonna have to stop here. I'm very sorry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, bye guys!
Are you just gonna ignore me?
Say bye, Ike. Oh, what is happening to my freaking computer? I'm trying to stop this. Hello? Bye.